Okay, mercantile law. Before, what is mercantile law? Before trying to understand about mercantile law, we should understand one thing. Merchant means a businessman. Merchant means a seller. Merchant means a purchaser and a seller who brings the product, brings a certain product, and do some manufacturing or some corrections in that product and make it through in an industry. He will manufacture it. The merchant means who brings products from different places, who will assemble it and make one product that is useful for everyone, and he will trade industry and commerce. All these things are business trade, industry and commerce. All these are included in it, in the merchant. With merchant, why all these are included? Because he brings the item, he brings the manufacturing items from different places, and he will make the product, and he will sell the same product in different places using transportation, commerce and industry. All these are included because of that. There are certain and attachments and certain kinds of customary rules which governs the act of person conducted with trade, commerce and industry. The example of mercantile law in the form of attachment are among the others: the Indian Contract Act 1872, the Companies Act 1956, Partnership Act 1932, Sales of Goods Act 1930. These are the some of the rules that governs the mercantile law. And Negotiable Instrument Act 1881, the Factories Act 1948, Industries Disputes Act 1947 Act. It should be noted that there are some acts and attachments which can be described to both mercantile law and general law. In those cases, no definite demarcation can be drawn, and we will in future classes we will discuss about the Indian Contract Act 1872, the Companies Act 1956, Partnership Act 1932, Sales of Goods Act 1930, and Negotiable Instrument Act 1881, the Factories Act 1948, Industrial Dispute Act 1947, etc. And one more thing, that we can total 11 sections, total 266 acts are there, 11 chapters, 266 sections, and explains each act. Every section explains each act. There are in 11th chapter 266 sections about this mercantile law. Indian Contract Act 1872, the Companies Act 1956, Partnership Act 1932, Sales of Goods Act 1930, Negotiable Instrument Act 1881, the Factories Act 1948, Industrial Disputes Act 1947, etc. These are to be explained in further classes. We will go through these acts.